Good evening, D&D Davidson, liveweatherblogs.com, student meteorologist here. I'm going to start off the overnight edition. We're looking at the tropics. You can see we have two things here. We have Igor, who's went by Bermuda, has minimum hurricane winds now. We also have a area of low pressure, possibly coming into depression, has a 90% chance of it over the next day or so as it moves into the warmer waters. Also, we got to look at coming up here in this next month area here in the southeast. And the Caribbean, because it's going to become more closer to home, these storms development in late September and October and November time period. Okay, let's take a look at the statistics on Igor. See, we still have a hurricane. It'll become a tropical storm, extratropical storm here as it gets close to these Canadian provinces. There is a tropical storm warning in effect for tropical storm force winds. Then it'll make a left-hand turn near Greenland, maybe go over parts of Greenland and make a left-hand turn. As it becomes extratropical. Let's take a look at satellite. Igor is out of the tropical. Look here, the dry air is cut in here in the southeastern area. But here's the next system we're going to have to watch. It's pretty good, has pretty good development here. The low pressure is in the center of this, so this I would not, like I said, be surprised this becomes a tropical depression within the next 36 to 48 hours. Here's a look at what this is supposed to do, and this is really interesting. Look at all these computer models. It looks like a spaghetti chart here. Some of it moves it, loops it around, makes it a left-hand turn. Some of it turns it out. It's way too early to see what's going to happen. There's not really a whole lot of steering going on out here in the Atlantic Ocean right now. And this is going to be an interesting storm to watch, so we'll keep an eye on it here. Invest 94, maybe become a depression, and who knows after that what may happen with it. Going to the severe weather. Severe weather outlook here. We have, this is for today on Tuesday. Chicago is going to be in here. Des Moines is going to be in here. Hail and high winds are a primary threat. We have some MCS or derecho occur. So basically we have to look at hail being, in the Davidson risk factor, we're going to have to look at hail being about a 60%, the high winds about 80%, and tornado threat isolated about 15%. And then we're going to look at Wednesday. Back up in the Midwest, Nebraska, South Dakota area. And that'll be hail and high winds, possible tornadoes. Davidson risk factor for Wednesday will be 60% on the hail, 80% on wind also, more MCS is likely, and about a 15 to 20% chance when it comes to tornadoes, a little bit better shot coming in here on Wednesday. And now we're going into the Triad and Roanoke Valley forecasts. Roanoke for overnight tonight, 57 degrees, 85 Tuesday, 59 tomorrow night, 89 Wednesday, scattered thunderstorms possible tomorrow Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night with 62 at the nighttime low. Thursday, 90 degrees and 89 on Friday. We're in a little bit of a milder trend with the high pressure system. Lows are going to be in the 60s, 50s and 60s over the next couple of days. And now to the Triad region of North Carolina. Other than Wednesday night with a chance of thunderstorms, we have sunny throughout. 87 on Tuesday, 90 on Wednesday, 91 on Friday, and skip the day, it's 92 on Thursday, and like I said, 91 on Friday. Lows in the 60s. Not much going on. Increased fire danger will definitely be occurring here in the Roanoke and Greensboro areas. So please discard any cigarettes properly and do not burn openly without proper permission. Other than that, nothing much else going on. D&D Davidson, liveweatherblogs.com.